Hey, when me just meet her in a 2005, me never have nothing, you know. I'm a mother me live with. All me did have an ambition and a dream of becoming an artist, you see me? So we meet 2005 and me never get a break in her music till 2009. So that about 4 to 5 years of trying. And she never yet say, yo, you know see where you're trying now work? Go look at work. She always encourage me and stick by me, you see me? Yeah man, oh fine, me find the big song, Life So Sort Out. Then after that, we go on and on. Then after that, whether night or evil day, bartender. Hey, what heap of song. Fast forward to 2026, see where I'm taking her on shows with me at the big Hard Rock Live, Hollywood, Florida. GWHIZZ live with artists like Shaggy, yo, Inner Circle, big show. Yeah man, she have to reap all of the benefits of success, you see me I say? Yeah man, GWHIZZ live on stage, watch it, light up the stage, GWHIZZ music. Yeah man, big up Bobsy, I rub down the beard. Never afraid. Yeah man, we still there together, you see me? Sharing a meal of success. That a code. But here we go on, more leave two things with the people. Man them, when you have a girl, we're there with you from nothing to something, through the struggle, through the poverty. You see when success reach, make sure you hold on to the girl, you see me? That a code. Don't let her go. And for the girl them, if you have a man, if you have ambition and drive and determination for achieving a life, even when him not nothing, stick with him. Yeah, me people, GWHIZZ music. Welcome back to another video. Yo, the video I got sweet, me I tell you no. Yeah. So the first clip there was the clip that went viral on social media and Jaja know. Yo, big up everybody who, you know what I mean, leave a comment. Last time I checked on Instagram, it's at 600,000. So much share, so much like, so much comments. The last time I checked on TikTok, 200,000 views, so much like, so much comments, so much share. If you was one of the people them that saw that video on social media and left a like and a comment, please comment on this video on YouTube so we can stimulate the YouTube algorithm. So we're gonna start the video, my people. This is gonna be the long form video, the vlog of everything that went on that trip, except with private business, of course. But the video here I got sweet. It's just a natural vibe with me and my wife. I travel and I have fun. It's such a joy to travel with the one you love, you know what I mean, and be able to just hold a vibe. So like the video, enjoy the video, let's go. Psst. Psst. One thing I love when I travel with her, I don't have to do nothing full out in the farm, none of them sitting there. Just give her everything, make you do everything. You see me? Go through that door there, I never come. No, yeah, go through the door too.
Small one for you because you don't.
It looks so beautiful.
You don't need a big breakfast.
You look amazing. Hmm? You look amazing. In real life. Yeah, my people, so as me say in our video before, me and my wife live a very minimal life, you know. You know what I mean? We not hang at where we can reach it. So see where economy with it, not first class yet. You know, when my life sort out some more, yeah man, we go first class. But you know what I mean? We just have vibe. And you know what I mean? And by the way, people, every now and then me I go narrate the video for making understand more where I go on. So if you don't like the video yet, and I know it's a good time for like it. See? Let's continue. So you leave me over here, so I'm over this. Huh? What you say should I be? Alright, I'll cut left here. Shouldn't leave me over here. Your family.
Or my kids them. Hello. I'm here, guys.
Yeah, my people, big up to my virgin Kevin Barrett, who pick me up at the airport and had this food waiting for us. Man, I tell you, say, I sweetest thing when you see the food, people, you always slap it away. You don't know you don't know plane make you hungry, you know. So you see it. Right, just make the wife the phone for video and watch your shadow. Be a foolish. Watch her video curtain. Yo, God knows that. Yo, she can't have video, you know. But how is the video quality on this phone, people? It's a Samsung. We never use an iPhone before. Samsung gang, leave it in the comments. Yo, we don't want to see an iPhone. The video is clean, though, people. How it look? How it look? As you pull up, so straight terrace, could you wait a little bit? You come off a plane like 40 minutes ago and I was there already. Could you wait? Could you wait? Gosh, man. How's your land? Been dreaming about this so long as your land. Yeah, but people, as we said to her, as we land, a rush reach. Because that trip here was a 4-day trip, quick trip. So I come up here show and I carry the wife and, you know what I mean? So, as we forward off our plane, we just get to it same time and do some shopping because we know we don't have long in our country, you see me? So that was the plan, my people. As we land, we start shop. And remember, we's a budget-friendly couple. So you're going to see we at Burlington, you're going to see we at Ross, you're going to see we at Walmart. And she love go dollar store, you know, because she into crafts, so she like get them little thing there dollar store. Let me know, my people, what is the other budget store where we can go when we're there in America? We not go Louis, we not go Gucci, we not go none of them places, my people. Budget shopping with the pan. How it look? Ross 2026. Yeah, Father God, don't know, health and strength, life, prosperity. Yeah. Ross 2026. Up move. I got a studio right now. Yeah, man, go ahead. No, sir. Can't go, man. They're tired, but we just want some water and a snack. And I touch you. How you feeling?
Awesome.
If you're not tired, me not tired, you know. Work off of your energy.
Work up on my energy.
Well, we don't know about that. Burlington 2026. Isn't it? Burlington 2026. Next one. Hello, bless it. Good.
Same price, and there's an extra comb. Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
You not tired? Yeah, man.
Can I say? 8 hours now.
Yeah, truly. Definitely. Burlington 2026. This is not 20. The last time we go, 2024? Alright, 3. Yeah. Long time that.
Together.
Whole Foods is like more Whole Foods. Yeah. Here people, so the Uber driver them see it. Yo, we always book up some Uber driver. We chat we out for the whole journey. We have beer story. I say all of them stay or just some. But like that one I know. Yo, she chat you until we reach back straight back to your hotels, bro. Me and my wife have your laugh start. Jaja good. Hello. Night. She'll close it.
Hello. And Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to
guys
you.
are my third trip today because I had to give me some sleep yesterday. They wore me out. They had me everywhere.
Yeah.
Yes, they did. I mean, literally.
On New Year's Eve.
Yes.
Yeah.
New Year's Eve is always the busiest. It's the busiest day.
Yeah.
And I told my husband, I said, I don't think I want to work this year. He said, Joe, just go ahead. Don't be afraid.
Yeah.
So I went late.
What time you stopped working last night?
Oh God, this morning.
Oh.
So I went to sleep and I stayed asleep and I went and took the one lady down the street from the store.
Yeah.
And I took the one guy from Walmart and now you guys.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I'm glad it's short and sweet.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, man.
Can I
Short
have
and sweet.
your PIN number?
Okay, so it's hold on.
Okay.
5, 6.
7. I usually work at night, so that's why I had the Uber to install the number.
Yeah.
So I know this is you and you know it's me.
Okay. No problem.
Oh, this is so perfect. This is short and
No
sweet.
problem.
You know.
Yeah, my people, so this was the same day we land after we go Burlington and go up on the mall. No, we don't put on our foot, we don't sit down, Yo, we don't forget them to pull over, yeah, man, because I tell you, say, the weather did a chop up, they did cold. Yo, we could tell you, say, Florida cold. Yo, people of Florida, when is it sweater weather? Tell we, please. Straight to the fridge.
That's where the tea is, so you want to the fridge.
Water. We'll make a tea first.
I'm having some flavored water right now. I'm gonna take. Did it dust it too? Can you take that?
To hold it.
Taste it. Taste the flavor. Tell me if you can taste it.
Just make my one.
You want to come on now? Come in.
Regular
You
one.
have a good night. There's no regular.
Yeah, good night sleep on. Go outside and show them what the hotel look like, is it? Nice little hotel, man, nice and cozy, you see me? Yeah. Check for lizard or snake.
Huh?
You check for iguana first before you sit down. Or snake. Fly there.
You shouldn't do that to me now.
Fly there. Oh, it's too cold, you know, I'm not see out here. I don't want to see New York right now. I don't want to see New York right now. Florida, go on, so.
See the juice place there?
Florida, go on, so. New York.
Jamba juice.
New York, white up here now. Fully white. Oh, what's that? Yeah. Yeah, jaywalking in America. Oh, jaywalking in America, girl. You can Jamaica this. Yeah, my peeps, so that's the name of the hotel right there. A-Love. Decent place. So what happened is, after looking on the hotel menu, where I say, yo, make you go across the road, go looking for see anywhere else. But when we step across the road, we were closed, you see me? So this is us heading back to the hotel for have something to eat, you see me? Because this is the same day when we're landing up people. So for all the shopping up and down, we're going to look something to eat, you know, before we go bed, you see me? So this is going. I wake up so early, huh?
And I'll put it back in that upright position. Now eat up this side, Shana. Come. Thank you.
Great.
Not bad. Can't even wait.
You better wash your hand. You better wash your hand, mama.
How is it? All right.
Yeah, just started.
Great. Okay.
We're going to test it now.
No, picture this.
Nice to see you.
No, man and chicken. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, my people, day one, after we mash up the food at bedtime, you see me? Then we'll take on the Walmart tomorrow. Stay tuned to the video. If you don't like the video yet, please like, my people, share, leave a comment, you see me? Ready. The next day.
It's amazing. Go back and just get fine. Tammy glasses.
It pool. You have to test it. Test it. Put your hand in there and test it.
I wouldn't want to strip down to come out here. Even if the pool hot.
Can be eaten pool. Put your hand in there and test it, man. It's cold. It's not eaten pool. Okay. Right. Come try this. A warm water.
No.
A warm water.
Trust it. Oh, the water. I go warm up.
A warm water. A warm water.
Don't warm.
You know, cool like the pool. Yo, Florida, cool. Watch it. Sweater weather off ago.
Yes, you will forget.
Sweater weather.
No. Right.
You see me? Yes, so that little deli here now, they ride across the road from the hotel, you see me? So every morning over there we go.
French breakfast, American.
But hold on, I wish mosquito that bite her upon her neck there, so that big mosquito there. No sir, that never did yesterday. Mosquito them dangerous of Florida, man. Don't be a cheapskate. Egg and bread, can't go wrong. Egg and bread. Yeah, can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with that.
It says it come with latte when I need them.
No. Alright, leave little feet dog, leave little feet dog them. Yeah, move some. Dog them, man. Dog them, leave little piece squirrel them. Leave little piece squirrel them. And iguana. That's it. Yeah, sweet one. Driver, yeah, shot. Grandpa shot. The grandpa did like a drive slow, you know. Wanna press at it. Hold it, grandpa, hold it. Oh, God. Grandpa doesn't speak English, man. Grandpa doesn't speak English. Hold it, grandpa, but grandpa don't understand Jamaican patois. Hold it, grandpa, hold it till I understand one thing I say. Oh, $3, man. $3 tired for see you. $3 tired for see you, mama.
Burlington. Alright, so the Publix. I need to go away after this.
Mm-mm.
Oh Lord, everything is right here. Everything is right.
No man, you not pull hard enough. You have to pull it. Stuck them stuck. Here. Walmart need to downgrade and challenge. They need to have some smaller challenge. Want to change it? This one is no good. Yeah. Take the next one. It fit you good?
Melissa, don't you come with me?
When?
Drink, start in this
No. You sure it fit? You try it on so quick and take it off so quick. You sure it fit? I could go try find her. Where she there? She there somewhere around here so. Oh, see her here. She not see we yet, you know. Hello.
Daniels. Come on, Daniels. Tomorrow. What it up this adventure for? So none of our mother. So find the face still there. The face scrub.
How to make sure nobody not thief your bag out of the cart in a Walmart. You have to get a bag like this and you lock it. You have to lock it on the cart and then now when nobody try to thief your bag like, you know, the bag can't move. Yeah, so that's how you stop people from thieving your bag. In a Walmart. Yeah, you have to get a bag like this so when them see your bag and feel like they want to take it out and just want to pass and take it out, by the time they go so bag stuck, you see me? That is it. It's a good idea, right? Yeah. Man. You need to hurry up though, car you make winner so long. Oh, good idea. That's why I don't like going away with her, you know, because she take all day and I place them in my people. 2026 and she did on the same foolishness. Eh? She got. Yeah man, so she focus when she a shop, man. Watch her. Focus, you know. Focus. Yeah, man, when she a shop for kids them. And she'll talk to herself too. And she not zone, you know. She not zone. I have to leave her alone. And just wait. Now wait it's sitting there. Yeah. Plan fit. That's what she said. Yeah, not interested. Yeah, I tell her, I say if you want the virgin oil, she'll look on the virgin oil, but out of all of them, yeah, I tell her, I say she look like a virgin. So I better she take that one because I don't see no other female on the other rest of them. All this alone have the female. So I guess this is the best virgin, right? Other one I take?
No.
Take that one, man. She look like a virgin. That you say we do on a budget, on the Charlie.
And then when you came, I'm not going to look into it. Yeah.
She looking away.
And then I first agreed, but
I'm going to work, baby.
Work, baby, work, baby, work. Work, work. So this guy. Everything I forget video, but everything I forget video. See me? Yeah, I was just saying I buy enough things and come up with one bag of things, so I did it. And bag of two every moment. What we gonna do?
Your baggage country that's even there like Jamaica, I left the man boy. I want to go across the road now, we're in a dollar store.
Some my naked juice. Fishing for days. How we foul do you, sir? How we foul do Florida? Foul in I mix big common foul. Big common foul you can find.
What bird is that?
Me don't know. All kind of right now, all kind of bird there, sir. Pigeon, regular bird, and a common fowl. Now answer this. How far Jamaican common fowl get you out of the yard? Come on, Walmart.
It's like a crow. Look at that.
Yeah, crow there, man. I tell you, every bird there, man.
And it's coming right at us, like.
We don't have nothing for you, bro. Anyway, we're there. Let's make America great again. Oh God, let's make America great again, eh? Anyway, we're there. 2026. Give thanks. Need to figure out where I gotta leave them back. I can't leave them in a Walmart. You know, I can't walk with them, you know.
How we not even, they don't.
Full one of the water, yeah? Anything goes when you right. Tell her, say we can't walk up and down with them whole heap of bag, you know. Watch her, I try to measure out, watch her. Yo, I should even help her carry it, you know.
Sometimes them put me kind of.
We don't take it, we have to bring it back. Georgia, God. Look what she do. Easy, man. I give it too much load for carry, Booba. I give it too much load for carry. Watch it. So she load me up after she said she's going to one more paper. 1 or 2 items. Look there. Load me up. I can't even buy one of Walmart cat. Look on them cat away out here, so. Them look mash up. They look mash up like a barely that cat. You see that? Can't buy a cat, man. Where they say people we can't buy one of this and bring it back. Well, look how far Burlington there.
Right here, so.
And look how far people push it. So we can't push a cat here across the road. But we just a bar it. We just a bar it. We don't take it. What's your name?
Can always get some honey down the two.
Here, if me not feed you, you don't forget to feed you. You don't remember to eat if me not feed you. When you are shopping, I have to feed you if you remember to eat. Come. Alright, good. I have to feed her, take care of her, babysit. Everything. No, she don't remember when Pete when she a shot, brother. I tell you. Yeah, my people, so this is the day of the show, you know. Today, I have to perform at the Hard Rock Live Center. You know what I mean? So, you know, we jump up, go Walmart, have a head back to the hotel right away. We can't stay out late, car. If we go in and eat some food and then ready up for touch out. You see me? So, stay tuned for your side video. Let's go.
When you reach my window, look for lunch.
Yeah, got this one. Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, cool. We back. We need that hotel Charlie now. But I kind of meet this person. Okay, not 1 ounce of spice. And I thought, 1 ounce of spice.
Not even the sauce, which is good.
No idea.
Panini, you know. Cheese panini.
Bread.
Type fish for panini. Chicken prepared healthy too.
Right, just a now quick video call with the kids. You see me? Yo, I just one day we're gone, you know. Yesterday we leave, you know, and them ask you when we come back already. You see it? Parents can get a break. Make sure they take out the break in the parents and just leave the kids them and go enjoy self together. That's a code, you see me?
What the heck with the camel?
Nigga, sorry about it, you know.
Take a lot to take it out.
Yeah, the book. The scramble and that's the inside.
Yeah, baby, you're my soulmate. Must have been sent from heaven. You're my soulmate, tailor-made for me. I just life. Get the youth never give up the fight. GWHIZZ that my life's too start out. So me no worry. Rainy days don't last. God I still love me boss. So make the haters stop. Man still I got rise to the top. We go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. It's been a long, long time and I only on the battlefield. That's why man I celebrate. Patience are the key and me been a wait. Yeah. Yeah, I know the thing look good, look good. Man, I progress in a life like me should. Tell you one of them, so we not ease up. Can't tell them who jobless. Tell them none of them no curse. Okay.
Yeah. You set it in. That is it.
Ready to give up. I think it's time.
Drop 2 in there. So drop 2, yes, you drop 4. Yeah. Keep a ball out man this. Keep a ball out man. GWHIZZ Music 2026 Hard Rock Live Stay Strong Jamaica concert. Big up all the organizer them, you see me? We're there on the show with a whole host of artists, Shaggy Wayne Wonder, the Manleys, GWHIZZ Live, be a top artist, be a greatness. See me I say? Dressing room settings. You know what I mean? Yeah. You just there go and build. Let's start eat this now. Boom it again. Ram up here now. Everybody there. Everybody there. The Hard Rock Live. We there do this for Jamaica, you know? Yeah. Jamaica, we are do this for. Mad. Jamaica, Jamaica, yeah. Jamaica strong!
When I say Jamaica, you say the best. Jamaica! Jamaica!
The next day, yeah, people, so this is the day after the show. We decided to go back on the mall for go get myself a Ray-Ban glasses. So when they want for Christmas, I never get it, you see me. So give thanks I was able to get it. We actually decided to walk go to the mall because it's a close distance from where the hotel is. So we grab some breakfast first, and this is us walking to the mall, you see me. Wanna like the video yet? Wanna subscribe yet? Do that now, man. Come there. Go and work for me little subscribers too. My little subscribers done enough. Me nah be no crop.
The sunglasses is the less expensive.
Oh,
Oh, and that's the sunglasses, yeah.
This is sunglasses.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not
that's what
lenses.
he wants, right?
Yeah, transitions are more expensive. Yeah, you change the lenses.
can I open it in the meantime?
Yeah, let me scan and then you can open.
Yeah.
Let me scan and then you can open.
That's my Christmas gift.
Star Rewards members, get ready. Star Money Bonus Days start next weekend. That means from Friday, January 9th through Sunday, January.
And me there I wait. See her just a come here now. All my shoes me take off. You see me? See her just a come here. You ready now? Hmm? Yeah. Piece more. Okay, if me no feed you when you shop, you know say you're hungry. So, have a meal. Good. You see one bag of thing you know pile up in a hotel where she go buy. I mean I help her pack them you know. And she dip on her own. Relax me, I relax. You see me? You see me? So today the day before we leave back to Jamaica my people, so my chips. Today we are gonna link up with Bridging, you see me? And go up on the road. Big up GQ. GQ, we are gonna link you now. I've been drinking more alcohol. Sean have been charging everything for charging car. Charging car, yes. You know? Oh, yes, yes, no, Sean. Welcome to Florida. Are we there, Price Mart? Where are we there?
Costco? Yeah.
Costco? Oh, I think that Price Mart. This is not Price Mart, this is Costco.
Costco was here. We did it. I'm flying back.
Oh, yeah, already. Yeah, my people, so it was 4 days well spent. We enjoy ourselves, nah lie, and this is us in the morning getting some breakfast before we head to the airport. Why for that? That's my food though. Yo, big up my friend GQ, my people. This are years of friendship, over 20 years of friendship. Cause I don't know G is a real G. So who real to me, I keep my friendship them long. Seem like how I keep my relationship with the woman long. You see me? That's a code, man.
Like a movie, me I go do. I'm probably going to see some I feel like I take it out, trick me or try grow back. And then make them screw it back in, then sew it back on.
Knit it back on when you're ready again.
When we're ready again.
Anything possible 2026. Fix your belt, man. Fix your belt. Alright, go on and come there, so. Leave this, man. Leave this.
They say I leave here going careless.
Where am I one there?
So you never know why they're passing.
I'm put it there, so.
Passing and put it there.
Go on and come. Anything, call.
No, no, just buy anything more and buy here.
Yeah, you know, so I hit that for the vlogging of my people. Man, I lie, we enjoyed the trip. We full enjoyed the trip. The trip was great. The show went great. Remember, know if you don't watch the video to the end, just type full. If you don't watch it to the end, if you don't want to see more content like this, type more. Just like that, we're back in Jamaica. Remember to like, subscribe, share. You hear? GWHIZZ Music.